Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, this is another attempt at me to find a deal in every state. So here is one for the Middle District of Alabama. I received an order granting unclaimed funds. If you're interested in learning what that process is like for that district, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel again. So in this particular video, this is similar to the other ones that I have shown you where I'm on an effort to get a deal in each state. This is adding to that list. This is the Middle District of Alabama. This initially was supposed to be a short step method where I would get a quick 15% upfront in exchange for me doing the documents for her and filling them in for her. However, she didn't want to pay me upfront. I didn't want to buy her out. And so we did the longer process where we both got paid on the back end. So $737 is what her claim is for. 40% is what I charged. $294.80 is what I get back. Me doing the paperwork probably took me 20 minutes. Filling it all in, getting things notarized, mailing it to the court. That's it. But, you know, the process to how they're doing it on the court end is what takes so long. So I filed this in September the 30th. It was filed in on the court at that time. And then I just received a court order. December the 16th is when it was filed in. That's right here where the judge's signature, you see the court seal. And basically it just says it's ordered that the sum of $737 held in unclaimed funds be made payable to me in my company, and basically there's my P.O. box. So it's really simple. The process to filling in the documents, it's just you're waiting on someone's basically signature to review them, to push your information along. So I'm just cautioning you that this particular district, if you're wanting to work there, if you live there, it's going to take some time. The staff was very friendly. They were always there. They picked up the phone, they emailed me, and they were just telling me, you know, it just takes time in this particular district. So I believe that they don't have that many to process compared to like a Chicago or like a New York or something. It's just, it's not a priority there. And there is no general rule as to when these things should be processed. Every district is different. I showed you Missouri, I showed you Louisiana, Georgia. Those move a little bit faster. This moves slow, even though it is in the South. So I'm just letting you know that. And the state allocated funds for this district or the state of Alabama is actually 10%. So if you're doing state funds in Alabama, you can only charge up to 10%. Here it is, I'm charging 40%. Again, I have a signed contract with the debtor. And again, this is a bankruptcy court federal judge, so this is slightly different. I think they're more concerned with ownership. I was still able to get a court order even though I'm asking for 40%, and they do have a copy of my contract, and they knew how much I was going to get paid. It really wasn't an issue for them. So I'm going to pay her, so there is no issue. So at any rate, I wanted to just let you be aware of that. Also, when you are getting electronic funds transfers and you're getting deals from multiple areas, there could be a chance that you could get paid from multiple ones at one time. If that happens, make sure you are aware of who gets what. You don't ever want to call the client and say, hey, can you send me a copy of your contract? What did I quote you? Was it 35%? Was it 40%? Make sure you keep a copy of your signed contract. Make sure you use your CRMs so that you don't look unprofessional and you're really unsure when you see all those amounts starting to hit your check or hit your account at one time. Make sure you are aware of what your client's percentage is. So that's really all that I wanted to tell you. It is possible to get a deal here. It just takes time for this particular district. So I hope that this is helpful, me doing these videos so that you can see, and when you reach out to me, if you're someone in Alabama watching, for example, and you're like, hey, what's the process like here? And now I can tell you firsthand, when I did the deal in Alabama, this is what it was like. So now I can tell you firsthand, the paperwork is the paperwork. I haven't had issues with it so far. They are using it. They allowed it. I got a court order saying it. It's just that they are moving at a slower pace. So again, if you're interested in my course, the sale is still going through December the 25th. Again, send me an email. Let me know. Sign up. You send your payment through PayPal, Cash App, and I'll be sure to manually enroll you. This is a good way. This is basically a tool that I'm showing you how to use. It's a tool that you can use when you want to use it. If you want to make extra money part-time, just a little bit here and there, or you want to do it on a full-time basis, you use it as you want, basically. So that is always a good thing when you're doing things on your own terms, as opposed to having someone tell you what to do. So it's possible. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.